my life. So if you don't get this now, you're opening yourself to failure. You got to know what to do when you are having a depressing moment, you're having these thoughts. You got to know what to do. One day daddy gonna be gone. And you got to self-regulate yourself. So we're gonna go through this exercise on what you need to do to take care of Joshua. This is what your father does. This is what stops me from doing things that nobody's ready to see me do. I need 7 deep breaths right now. In and out. That's 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. You got to take control of yourself. Nobody's coming to save you. If you cannot manage your thoughts, this world will eat you up, Joshua Javon. You are a black man living in America. Get used to it. Nobody cares how you feel. You have to care how you feel. Which means you got to do the things to take care of yourself. You cannot operate in this dimension with anger and frustration and confusion. It doesn't work for you. It works for them because they can get away with it. You can't. 7 more deep breaths. Now, let's go. And when you're breathing, you're letting go of confusion and anger, and you're taking control of yourself. Take control of yourself, Joshua. Now, whatever thought is going through your mind, you tell your thoughts that you run the show. Tell them now. Talk to your thoughts. I run the show. You don't run the show. I run the show. Speak to your thoughts. Because thoughts are spirits. It's spirits that are trying to gain access to you. You have to tell them, no, you don't run the show. I run the show. Speak it out loud, Joshua. Because you have to train yourself to do this. Even as you become an adult, you will not be an effective father. You will not be an effective husband, an effective businessman until you take control of your thoughts. The battle is not outside of you. The battle is in your mind. It's in your mind. That's where it will always be. Whoever wins your mind is going to control Joshua Javon Johnson. You decide what you watch on YouTube. You decide what you listen to. It's nobody's fault if it disturbs you. Because you're making the choice to watch that stuff. You're doing great in school because you took control of your thoughts. When you thought you couldn't do it, you made a decision that you could do it. You got to stop allowing these demonic spirits to have access to your mind. They got you when you feel confusion or like you're going crazy and you feel very emotional. It is demonic spirits that you are allowing them to have access to your mind. You got to rebuke them in the name of Jesus. Believe in the name of Jesus right now, Joshua. Believe that the name of Jesus is more powerful than any demon that tries to get you to do something or be confused. Believe in the name of Jesus. It is what has helped your father to live to be 52. Believe in the name of Jesus. Pretend I'm not here. You got to make up your mind to do this exercise. When you get 23, 24, and you're living somewhere in the world, you got to remember everything that I taught you when you were a child. This will save your life. This will save your life when your fake friends are around you, when a fake woman is around you who pretended to love you, when you get by yourself in solidarity and you call on the name of Jesus. This is what's going to save your life. Right here. This is what saved your dad's life. From killing all of my enemies right here. This is the moment that God gave me to stop me from putting bullets in people's heads. Stretch out your hands. Stretch out your legs. Stretch them out. Now repeat after your dad. I am a spirit being. I am a soul. I have emotions. I have feelings. I have thoughts. I have a heart. I have to take care of it all. And I got to be responsible for my heart, for my emotions, my feelings, my thoughts, and myself. Nobody's coming to save me. I gotta save myself. Jesus is here to help me, but he wants to teach me how to help myself. This family will not be broken. This daddy talking now. I am alive to break the curse on you and that boy over there. You will not be statistics, probabilities. Neither will you be what they want you to be. Because I'm your father. I am a son of the living God. And whatever it takes for us three to break the curse that is on the black man in this America, that's what we're going to do. I give my life for it. I give my all for it. I give everything I am for it. Nothing else matters. No amount of money, no woman, no level of status matters. I'm going to raise you and that boy over there to be men. spend my life in hell so that y'all can go to heaven.